Hey DIYers, I'm Griffin with Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to be demonstrating on how to manually change the time and date on a 2 gig edge. And then we're going to also do another part on how to change the time and date in your alarm.com app. So let's get started on a 2 gig edge itself. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the little gear icon in the bottom right hand corner, where you can either enter the installer code or the master code. I'm going to do the installer code of 1561. Then we have different options here. We're going to go down here to date and time. It's like a little calendar and a clock. It says date and time. Then you have a little scroll bar where you can just scroll between the minutes and the hours and AM and PM. Then over here you have 3 columns to where you can scroll through month, day, and year. And then once you're done setting what you need to be set to, you would just hit set and then hit the home button. And then your date and time will be set. So now that is how you set up the date and time manually on the 2 gig edge. Now we're going to do a cutaway and take a look at the alarm.com. So for a little side note, if you do have the alarm.com app, if you make whenever you set the time zone in the alarm.com app, it will manually override whatever's in the panel. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next step of our video here. We're going to demonstrate on how to change the time from the alarm.com web browser. So you want to access your alarm.com account using a compatible web browser. Access the alarm.com website, provide your username and password, and click the login button. Complete any 2-factor authentications if it is enabled on your account. You should then be logged into your alarm.com account. So what we want to do is you want to access the account management menu. On the left-hand side of the screen, you want to choose the settings. It's down here at the bottom. Select account management. And once you select account management, you'll have different options: account information, system information, property information, user slot management. We would then want to select system information. And then you'll have the option for the time zone. You'll click on the field to access the drop-down menu, and you'll select whatever time zone you're in. Then press the blue button on the right-hand side to apply the changes. That's labeled Update. You want to log out and confirm the change, and then you'll go to your system and wait possibly 2-3 minutes to make sure your time has changed. If it has not, just go ahead and log back into alarm.com and make sure your information has been saved and attempt it a second time.
To set the time zone using the customer app, first log into the app. Alarm.com recommends 2-factor authentication. So if you have that enabled, complete the 2-factor authentication. And once you get logged in, you're going to go to the menu icon in the upper left and then scroll down. Find Account Management. Click on that. In the Account Management menu, click on System Information. And the time zone is located at the bottom. It's got a drop down. You choose the appropriate time zone. Hit Update. Hit the left arrow in the upper left. Go back to the menu and log out. And that's how you set the time zone for your 2 gig edge from the alarm.com customer app.
And that there is how you change the date and time on the alarm.com app. Any questions that you may have, please send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or visit our website at alarmgrid.com. If you enjoyed this video or found the content helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon on the bottom for any future content that we will create. My name is Griffin with Alarm Grid. Happy to help.